Well, today, following the court's ruling, immigration rights groups such as CASA filed a class action lawsuit in an attempt to stop the executive order on birthright citizenship from going into effect.
CBS Philadelphia's Ryan Hughes is in our newsroom right now looking at the impact the ruling could have on families. Ryan.
Yuki Siafa, good evening to you. This is a confusing moment for many families across the country, and depending on where you live in the Delaware Valley, birthright citizenship could be banned sooner in places like Pennsylvania than in New Jersey and Delaware. So let's break it down for you. According to the New Jersey Attorney General's office, 23 states, including New Jersey and Delaware, sued the president in federal court in an attempt to stop his proposal to end birthright citizenship. New Jersey led the charge on this effort. The Supreme Court's ruling today did not say whether or not the president's ban is or is not unconstitutional. The ruling did, however, limit the use of nationwide injunctions. That means states that were not part of that federal lawsuit, like Pennsylvania, could see this take effect sooner following the court's 30-day ban. There was also uncertainty on what could happen next. Today, we heard from one mother who was a plaintiff on the lawsuit. She didn't want to show her face, but she is from Russia, currently living in the United States on a student visa, and she has a newborn baby.
Since today's decision is not the final decision, deciding if the executive order is illegal or violates the Constitution, I have worried a lot about whether the government could try to detain or deport our baby at some point. The executive order made us feel as though our baby was considered a nobody. And with today's ruling, I know that so many other parents are feeling the same way.
On a virtual news conference this afternoon, New Jersey's Attorney General, along with AGs in 4 other states, reminded everyone birthright citizenship is the law of the land for now, regardless of a child's parent's immigration status. The Attorney General's called the Supreme Court's ruling disappointing and promised to keep fighting.
I would say to everybody in America who's concerned right now, look, you have right to be concerned. The President of the United States is attacking a fundamental right in a way that has never happened in the 157-year history of this amendment. But you have people fighting for you.
And the Attorney General has also said the Trump administration has not stated how it will enforce or implement the president's executive order. They're hoping for a little more clarity in the coming days. Guys, back to you in the studio.
Ryan Hughes in the newsroom. Thank you so much for all of that, Ryan.